In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock WhatsApp chats with password. By the end, you'll know how to add a secret code to your locked chats and even hide the locked chats folder entirely so your private conversations stay private. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Make sure you're on the latest version so all privacy features are available. Give the app a moment to load your chats and confirm you're signed in on the device you actually use for messaging, since ChatLock relies on your phone's security. Next, open your locked chats folder. When you do this, WhatsApp will ask you to authenticate using your phone's built-in security, like your fingerprint, Face ID, or your device passcode. This step is there to make sure only you can view what's inside. Take your time and complete the prompt. Once it verifies you, the locked chats folder will open. Now, look to the top corner for your app's menu. On Android, tap the three dots. On iPhone, head into Settings from the bottom navigation. Both routes take you to the same place, so choose the option that matches your device. From there, select Chat Lock Settings, then tap Secret Code. This is where you add an extra layer of protection beyond biometrics. The secret code is used to access locked chats in a more discreet way, and it's especially helpful if you prefer not to rely only on your phone's unlock method. Create a unique password that you'll remember but others won't guess. Aim for something longer than a simple PIN, mixing letters, numbers, and symbols if allowed. Avoid using personal details like birthdays or common phrases. Write it down in a secure place if you need to, or store it in a trusted password manager. Remember, this code is just for your locked chats, so keep it private. Finally, toggle on Hide Locked Chats. When this is enabled, the locked chats folder disappears from your main chat list, adding an extra layer of discretion. Your conversations remain safe and out of sight, and you'll use your secret code when you want to bring them back into view. If you share your phone, this setting helps ensure no one even sees that a locked folder exists. That's it. Open WhatsApp, authenticate into your locked chats. Go to the menu or settings, choose chat lock settings, set a secret code, and turn on hide locked chats. Keep your code safe, don't share it, and update WhatsApp regularly for the latest privacy improvements. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the added peace of mind.